Oh, there it is.
What?
Whoa.
'26 there, Lukey boy.
Yeah, mate, I'll walk straight for it. So, part of the interview, they know we're not sure if you're aware, but I think it's probably available next year, so I'll put my hand up and take it.
What about the actual train itself though? Because it went right down to the wire.
Ah, you dickhead.
He's the boy.
Oh, damn, well, yeah. Not it. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So I run around, I get back to my phone, looks like, what are you talking about? Yeah, show's at 8, we're leaving at 7:20. I'm like, I meant to write 7, you gotta get ready. And he's like, what? Zoink! So,
Wait, you got a host?
What the
we got a
fuck?
host.
All right, that helps. A little buffer.
We got a host, and the show starts a little late.
All that, and he's saying, oh my god.
Manual recording on.
Dedicated to what happened on your podcast.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. There's a podcast out there basically called Experience, I don't know what it's called, Experiencing the Joe Rogan Experience or something, because there's too much information.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yes, but only to a point as well.
Fucking
so
way.
live sport is king at the moment.
You can't binge watch. I mean, it's what.
Story with BetterHelp. BetterHelp's online therapy lets you learn how to take control of your own life, make decisions to help your future, and be content.
3 perfect hands.
Oh, fucking hell, fucking idiot.
You fucking idiot. Oh, come on.
shower. Sundays 24 and possible shower.
Look at this guy.
Stupid thing. I mean, what sort of nonsense is that?
Changed his mind.
That was an absolute ripper of a dash cam.
What did he do?
He went straight on.
You know?
The right hand lane. No reflective light or anything. Fucking hell.
Moments later.
He's got AirPods in. He must be listening to something.
He's awfully sunburned. Look how red his skin is. Is that a he or she? Do they break easily?
Sometimes.
We're in racing position. We're ready to go. There you go. Can you see he wants to go? Go. Wants to go. Let me go. Oh. Why are you being mean? Maybe you know someone over there.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
La